Hello automotive lovers, welcome back to the official Vroom Vault channel. Exciting news comes from the luxury automotive world. Lexus is reportedly preparing the latest generation of its flagship sedan, the 2026 Lexus LS. Although it has not been officially announced, a number of leaks and rumors have begun to circulate widely, providing an idea of what this flagship sedan from Lexus will look like in the future. In terms of design, the 2026 Lexus LS is predicted to appear bolder and more futuristic. Rumor has it, Lexus will adopt the latest spindle body design language that has been introduced in several of their concept models. The distinctive spindle-shaped grille is maintained, but with a more unified and smooth appearance to the vehicle body. The body lines are expected to be made sharper and more dynamic, making this car look more aggressive but still maintaining the elegant impression that is its hallmark. Entering the engine section, Lexus will most likely present a hybrid version and also a full electric (EV) version for the 2026 LS. This is in line with Toyota and Lexus' vision to move towards full electrification this decade. The hybrid variant is predicted to carry the latest technology from the multi-stage hybrid system, which is more efficient and powerful. While the EV version is rumored to use the ETNGA platform, which is specifically designed for future electric cars. The interior? Don't doubt it. Lexus has always been known for the luxury of its cabin. The 2026 LS is rumored to present a combination of luxurious Japanese design, cutting-edge technology, and a fully integrated infotainment system with artificial intelligence. Most likely there will be a large curved OLED screen, a new generation Mark Levinson audio system, and massage seat features with heating and cooling in all rows of seats. Safety features are also predicted to experience significant improvements. The latest generation Lexus safety system is believed to be standard, with the addition of a Level 3 semi-autonomous driving system for more comfortable and safe long-distance travel. Will all this come true? Let's just wait for the official launch, which according to rumors could happen in late 2025 or early 2026. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss the latest updates about the luxury automotive world. Write your opinion in the comments column. Can the 2026 Lexus LS be a strong competitor to the Mercedes-Benz S-Class and BMW 7 Series?